Anatomy and Physiology Practice Test 20 questions. Each question includes the correct answer and an explanation. 1. Which organ is responsible for detoxifying chemicals and metabolizing drugs? A. Kidney, B. Liver, C. Pancreas, D. Spleen. Answer B. Liver. Explanation. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxification, metabolizing drugs, and processing nutrients. It also produces bile to aid digestion. 2. What is the primary function of the alveoli in the respiratory system? A. Transport oxygen in the blood. B. Exchange gases between air and blood. C. Filter incoming air. D. Produce mucus. Answer B. Exchange gases between air and blood. The alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs where oxygen enters the blood and carbon dioxide is expelled. 3. What type of joint is the shoulder joint? A. Hinge joint. B. Pivot joint. C. Ball and socket joint. D. Gliding joint. Answer C. Ball and socket joint. The shoulder joint allows for a wide range of motion due to its ball and socket structure. 4. Which chamber of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the body? Is it A. Right atrium, B. Right ventricle, C. Left atrium, or D. Left ventricle? Answer D. Left ventricle. The left ventricle has thick muscular walls that pump oxygenated blood through the aorta to the entire body. 5. Which hormone regulates water balance in the body? Is it A. Insulin, B. Antidiuretic hormone, ADH, C. Thyroxine, or D. Aldosterone? Answer B. Antidiuretic hormone, or ADH. Explanation: ADH, released by the posterior pituitary gland, helps the kidneys retain water, preventing dehydration. 6. What is the basic functional unit of the nervous system? Is it A. Nephron, B. Alveolus, C. Neuron, or D. Sarcomere? Answer C. Neuron. Explanation: neurons are specialized cells that transmit electrical and chemical signals in the nervous system. 7. What structure connects bones to muscles? Is it A. Ligaments, B. Cartilage, C. Tendons, or D. Fascia? Answer C. Tendons. Tendons are fibrous connective tissues that attach muscles to bones, allowing movement. 8. What is the role of hemoglobin in the blood? Is it A. Clots blood, B. Carries oxygen, C. Produces antibodies, or D. Regulates blood pressure? Answer B. Carries oxygen. Hemoglobin, found in red blood cells, binds to oxygen and transports it throughout the body. 9. What part of the brain controls balance and coordination? A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Brainstem, D. Thalamus. Answer B. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is responsible for maintaining posture, balance, and coordination of voluntary movements. 10. What is the function of the large intestine? A. Absorbing nutrients, B. Breaking down proteins, C. Absorbing water and forming feces, D. Producing digestive enzymes. Answer C. Absorbing water and forming feces. Explanation: the large intestine absorbs water from undigested food and compacts waste for elimination. 11. Which valve prevents backflow of blood into the left atrium? A. Aortic valve, B. Pulmonary valve, C. Tricuspid valve, D. Mitral bicuspid valve. Answer D. Mitral, also known as the bicuspid valve. Explanation: the mitral valve ensures one-way blood flow from the left atrium to the left ventricle. 12. What is the name of the tough, fibrous layer surrounding the heart? Is it A. Pericardium, B. Myocardium, C. Endocardium, or D. Epicardium? Answer A. Pericardium. Explanation: the pericardium is a protective sac that surrounds the heart, reducing friction during heartbeats. 13. What is the primary role of platelets? A. Carry oxygen, B. Fight infections, C. Assist in clotting, D. Transport nutrients. Answer C. Assist in clotting. Explanation: platelets, also known as thrombocytes, help form blood clots to prevent excessive bleeding. 14. Where does protein digestion begin? A. Mouth, B. Stomach, C. Small intestine, D. Large intestine. Answer B. Stomach. Explanation: the stomach secretes pepsin and hydrochloric acid, which initiate protein digestion. 15. What is the longest bone in the human body? A. Femur, B. Humerus, C. Tibia, D. Radius. Answer A. Femur. Explanation: the femur or thigh bone is the longest and strongest bone in the body. 16. Which part of the nephron is responsible for filtration? Is it the loop of Henle, Bowman's capsule, the collecting duct, or the distal convoluted tubule? The answer is Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule surrounds the glomerulus and is the site of initial blood filtration in the kidney. 17. Which electrolyte plays a major role in nerve impulse transmission? Is it calcium, sodium, magnesium, or chloride? Answer B. Sodium. Explanation: sodium ions are essential for generating and conducting nerve impulses. 18. What is the primary function of the spleen? A. Produce insulin. B. Store iron and filter blood. C. Produce digestive enzymes. D. Regulate calcium levels. Answer B. Store iron and filter blood. Explanation: the spleen filters old red blood cells, stores iron, and helps the immune system. 19. What is the primary role of the pancreas in digestion? Is it A. Secrete bile, B. Produce digestive enzymes and insulin, C. Absorb nutrients, or D. Regulate sodium levels? Answer B. Produce digestive enzymes and insulin. Explanation: the pancreas releases digestive enzymes into the small intestine and regulates blood sugar with insulin. 20. Which part of the autonomic nervous system is responsible for the fight-or-flight response? A. Parasympathetic nervous system, B. Sympathetic nervous system, C. Central nervous system, D. Somatic nervous system. Answer B. Sympathetic nervous system. Explanation: the sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for stressful situations by increasing heart rate, dilating pupils, and redirecting blood flow to muscles. These questions cover fundamental anatomy and physiology concepts relevant to the NCLEX exam.